Here I have XIAOMI 13 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first let's open settings, then let's go to the connection and sharing, then go to the portable hotspot, and here you can switch it. So here you can set it up. So here you can change its name, here you can change its password, here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its AP band, and here you can hide its SSID. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can turn on support of 6th generation standard. You can use it for USB tethering, for Bluetooth tethering. You can share it via Ethernet cable. And here you can monitor connected devices, or you can just set up a connections limit, and you can add devices to block list. So yeah. And you can also switch hotspot here at the upper bar, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.